What's going on YouTube? Domo Kong here with my very first video, and we will be working on the LCD Steam Deck. Originally I had installed the PTM 750 thermal pad, but I'm pretty sure I got some fake stuff unfortunately. Here we will be installing the Arctic MX-6 thermal paste. Before we lay it on its front willy-nilly, I'd like to take my case, kind of just open it like this. Let me get this all situated out of here. Let me find right there. Start unscrewing. I have a little area right here to set my screws at. Was a little bit of a cause of concern. Sometimes the thermal paste does need to be ran through a couple heat cycles, and I actually did run it through a few heat cycles unfortunately, and it just was not settling in. So here we are. Here's the JSOX or JSOX backplate, whatever you want to call it. I will go ahead and set this aside so it's not in the way, and bam. Some tools we'll need is of course you're going to need, I should have stated this in the beginning, a little pick, whatever you want to call this, screen separator, screwdriver, and some of these guys, little needle nose tweezers, and isopropyl alcohol, 99%, some Q-tips, and of course your thermal paste that you'll be using. And may I also say that if you're going to do this at your own discretion. I know this Steam Deck was kind of meant to be tinkered with, but at the same time, you know, some people should not be working on stuff like this, at least if you're not confident with it. But yeah, I'm just doing this because I don't like where my temps are at right now. I want to see what the MX-6 can also do for me as well. We're going to set this off to the side where it won't fall. Just like you're going to replace your SSD, you don't have to unplug the battery. This is where sometimes the tweezers come in. Unplug the battery and leave it like that for right now. And we'll have two screws here, 1, 2. Be very careful because some people have stripped the crap out of this screw right here. Don't know how. Probably not enough pressure or the wrong bit size. Wow, it already pumped out pretty quick, Jesus Christ. Well, that is what the thermal pad looks like now. And I can see why. I mean, there's hardly any coverage on the heatsink itself, and then hardly any coverage on the die itself now. That is kind of unfortunate. So, now, let's go on with this. Bam. Start cleaning. Got that back together. Time for the SD card. Now remember, don't try to push the button, but let's get this power cord here real quick. Plug her in. Oh. There we go. Oh, buddy, I just know I can't. You're killing you, bro. Oh, lay down. Lay down. Oh my god. Alright. Let's do this one more time. One more time. Turn the volume. Alright. There you go, guys. Alrighty, guys. If you liked the video, please like, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever the hell you want to do. Share if you can. But until the next time, peace.